Assalamualaikum students and good morning. Today we are going to study our textbook page number 35. The topic of our study is the sentence structure. As all of you knew that the sentence is made up of three components: subject, verb and object. Every sentence contains a subject and a verb. Many sentences also contain an object. The sun tickled my eyes. The sun is the subject, tickling is the verb and my eyes is the object. To find the subject of a sentence, ask who or what before the verb. किसी भी सेंटेंस के सब्जेक्ट को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए वर्ब से पहले हु और व्हाट यानी किसने किया या किसके बारे में बात हो रही है वो लिखा हुआ होता है. हु और व्हाट टिकल्ड माई आईज? द सन. टू फाइंड आउट द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस, आस्क हु और व्हाट आफ्टर द वर्ब. वर्ब के बाद क्या आना है? हु और व्हाट. द सन टिकल्ड, हु और व्हाट. सन ने टिकल किया किस चीज़ को? माई आइज. कॉपी एंड कंप्लीट द टेबल. वॉच आउट, देयर इज़ नॉट ऑलवेज एन ऑब्जेक्ट. हमेशा हर सेंटेंस में एक ऑब्जेक्ट होना कंपलसरी नहीं है. इन सेंटेंसेस को आपने रीड आउट करना है और इनमें से सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब और ऑब्जेक्ट को अंडरलाइन करके उसके ऊपर राइट आउट करना है. कौन सा वर्ड सब्जेक्ट, कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट है और कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है. अम्मा लिट द फायर. लिटिंग इज द वर्ब, द फायर इज द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड अम्मा इज द सब्जेक्ट. Oximus brother is the subject. Ground the corn. Ground means grinding की second form ground, verb, and the corn is the object. Other people saw the great canvas, object, the great canvas. Saw, verb, and other people is the subject. The sight shocked eczema. The sight shocked eczema. Eczema is the object, shocked verb, and the sight is subject. He shivered. In this sentence, object is not present. He is the subject and shivered is the verb. The young boy told Amma. The young boy is the subject, told is verb, and Amma is object. She gasped. Gasped is the verb and she is the subject. The men beat their drums. The men is the subject, verb beat, their drum is the object. The verb to be is not followed by an object, it is followed by a complement. अगर किसी भी सेंटेंस के अंदर कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है प्रेजेंट, उस ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह एक और कंपोनेंट प्रेजेंट होगा जिसको हम कॉम्प्लीमेंट कहते हैं, वो वर्ब को फॉलो करता है. ऑक्सिमम वाज फ्राइटेंड. ऑक्सिम subject, was verb, and frightened is the complement. Copy the sentences and underline the complement. For example, Oximum was still sleepy. Still sleepy is the complement. You have to underline only complement in these sentences. His mother was near to the fire. His mother is the subject, was is the verb, and near to the fire is not the object, it's a complement. It's a complement. Right? C. Complement. Oximus' two sisters was next to their mother. Oximus' two sister is the object, is the subject, were next to their mother. Next to their mother is the complement. You have to underline only the complement. The island was very quiet. Very quiet is the complement. The sea was calm. Calm is the complement. Most of the men were out fishing. Out fishing is the complement. There were ships out at sea. Ships out at sea is the complement. The cost of Karachi is very different now. The cost of Karachi is very different now. Is very different now is the complement. Today the sea is full of ships. Full of ships is the complement.